Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Goodreads Reviews Scraper by Parseforge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to automatically collect book reviews from Goodreads. This is useful for authors, publishers, marketers, and researchers who want real reader insights without manually scrolling through reviews. This actor collects detailed review data from Goodreads book pages. It captures the full review text, star ratings, reviewer info, helpful counts, spoiler flags, and timestamps. This will let you analyze reader sentiment, compare books, and understand what people actually say about a title. So, how does it work? To get started, you choose how you want to identify the book. You can either paste the direct Goodreads review URL, so it would be this one, or use a book ID with optional filters like rating or sort order. Just remember that both are mutually exclusive. You can only pick one or the other. To get the book ID, you'll get it from the URL. So it would be this number. And you paste it in here. With the book ID, you can sort reviews by default order, rating, or date added. You can also filter reviews by star rating, which is useful for analyzing only 5-star or 1-star feedback. With the max number of items, you control how many reviews are scraped. We'll leave it at 25 for this run. Once everything is set, you can either run the actor once, or you can schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor cook up its magic. When the run finishes, each review appears in this dataset table in the Output tab. You'll see book title, reviewer name, rating, full review text, helpful count, spoiler flag, and review URL. This structure makes it easy to analyze reviews at scale. You can also download the data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. This makes it simple to run sentiment analysis, build dashboards, or plug the data into marketing and research workflows. The Goodreads Review Scraper is ideal for understanding reader sentiment, tracking book performance, and gathering competitive intelligence. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.